G'day everyone, Ali here. Well, I'm going to be doing an art journal page today, and you know I love vintage, so I really love having a play with vintage ephemera, vintage colours, vintage pages, anything vintage. So today I'm doing a page in my Craft notebook today, and I don't know where it's going to take me, but I do sort of know what I want to do. So I want to play with some modelling paste, got some washi tape, got some string, I got a photo from the Tim Holtz collection, and some random bits and pieces. So I really do hope that you do enjoy this and find some inspiration. As usual, all the products that I'm using will be listed over on my website, and that website link will be down below. And that's my art journal finished for today. I really do hope that this has given some inspiration. If it has, please give me the thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And until next time, happy crafting. See ya!